Hi, do you know you were once completely confident, fearless, and full of self love? Not because you learned it, but because you were born that way. But somehow along the way that's changed.
When we were babies, we do not try to be perfect. We already feel perfect. Babies do not seek validation, they do not compare themselves, and they do not think, am I good enough? They act like the center of the universe because in their world they are.
Let's understand what babies naturally do. Number one, they express their emotions freely. When they are angry, they cry out loud. And when they are happy, they smile fully. Number two, they ask for what they need without any hesitation or guilt. And number three, they love themselves completely with no shame about their body, no fear of judgment, and no overthinking. And they do not even care about rejection.
Then what changes? Actually, we grow up. We start listening to others, we learn fear, comparison, and we learn that you are not enough. And slowly, we stop expressing ourselves. We start doubting ourselves. We disconnect from the natural confidence that we used to have.
As a healthcare professional, I have seen people with low self worth, anxiety, fear of judgment, and unable to accept themselves. But the truth is, there is nothing wrong with you. You just unlearned your natural state. Actually, you do not need to become someone new. You just need to go back to who you were. Start expressing your emotions, stop overjudging yourself, and allow yourself to be seen. Remember, you were not born with self doubt, you learned it. Now, I want you to try a simple exercise. Just look into a mirror, say your name, and tell yourself that I love you and accept you as you are. I know this sounds simple, but there are so many people who cannot even do this without feeling uncomfortable.
Remember, you were once that fearless, confident, and self loving person. And you still are, underneath everything you have learned. Start reconnecting with that version of you.
If this video makes you think differently, please like, share, and subscribe for more talk on mental and emotional health.